Welcome to September 10th pre-market video newsletter. We're looking at the Dow right now. Still another up day, nice. Still in the uptrend, pulling back actually just at the 10-day moving average. And actually it's the 8 to be more precise, and close to the 20 on the 60-minute chart. Daily chart still look good. We have this resistance which was discussed in the Wednesday video. QQQ is the same thing, but we have made a new high basically today on this resistance that we had in the last few days. Actually, if we go back to this day exactly, to the 28th. So we cleared that level. Not by much, but we're there. Good increase in volume. That's that basically show there's definitely some power behind that move. It's not just going up, but there's good volume in it. And if we just give us a good look at this, next level will be around, we're getting into that level of resistance. If I just to show you, we'll just zoom into this last year. So this is really what was a support, will now be resistance. So this 44 area is where I would see another point of resistance. It might be a bit earlier than that, but we'll see how it works. Okay, so but we're in bullish mode right now, uptrend, everything is going well, and looks good for the next few weeks. Don't take me on that, but definitely that pattern is into a strong uptrend and it keeps going when everybody would have expected it to just go down. We didn't even go close to this low. We just turned right here and back up. So that's a good sign. Now, I don't want to brag too much on that, but KNDR had a very good day. Cleared the 30 cents with strength yesterday. Closed up. Then today it just ran and it did with good volume, 1.8 million. It's great. I think we could see this to 45, 50 cents, 55 cents if that move continue. I want you to look at one thing, okay? We enter around this level, 13 cents is when we talked about it. Look at this range from this to around 30 cents, which basically became the resistance. That's like 17 cents. So we can have the same length, and obviously it's a penny stock. It's not like a big large cap, but we could have the same length on the other side, no problem. So that would bring us to 47 cents. And I think we could, if the momentum is there. The press release today was good. A lot of people. So that's a good stock to watch. And I definitely look at the like how many people talk about it, and we haven't had that many people, so that is still a lot of room. A lot of people could come in and buy this stock, and that's what we want to look at. At the same time, if the company relies on just a little bit of what they have on their news, this could be a very big pick for us. So today was good. Now let's look at AWSL. This one right here continued not on big volume, but still it's looking good. It keeps inching up. Jazz, I'm just showing you right now, is doing some topping tails on lower volume, but still we're seeing some selling in this level around 12. SPNG, someone asked me why it's going down. I have no idea why it's going down, other than probably some people are selling, or or basically this move didn't meet the expectation, and I don't know, some people, or this move up was on the basis that something else was to happen for SPNG. I don't really look at it, when you have a lot of volume like this, it's kind of it doesn't make any sense to look at the news. You need to look at where the money is going, and if the stock keeps going up, you stay in. And if it break down like this, there's nothing to do. And as I said, we had this sign where we got out. I was waiting for a new reload on that one. So it's not a trade we're in. I just want to make that clear. And for many days now. EWRC, that one made a good move today on news release during the day, so you had to be very quick to catch it. But as I said, I'm just showing you right now in a 5-minute chart. As I said before, this is the type of stock that was consolidating, and I said, I mentioned that this morning when it was to go, you need to have your alerts and get in. The only thing is the way that it pulled back not this morning, but this afternoon. This is a bad take, by the way. Okay, it didn't trade at 3.8. It's just really it went to 2.6, the high of the day. So, and even if you look at it, you need to go real time and look at the chart. It didn't go there. It's 2.6. So now it's staying there. We'll see what will happen in the next few days, if it keeps going up or not. But anybody that had an alert at 1.3, 1.4, like we mentioned, you're still in the money. Now, how far will we go? We don't know, but you need to watch this one. Okay, so that's good. And VSR right now, still holding in holding mode, basically. Didn't clear anything. It's just staying under this trend line. Need to see it as well with a very convincing volume. MDOR, I want to show you. Basically I missed it because I was on holiday. Some people were able to get in it, and congrats. What I'm waiting right now is for another opportunity to get in, and we'll see if we can form some type of consolidation, and then we would need another move up. So but it's definitely not there right now. Okay, so don't go there and buy at 120 and then or 116, hoping that what I say will materialize, and then we need to wait for this to consolidate, and then we need the buying coming in as we break out. That's where you get a re-entry, and that's something very important for all of you to understand. When I say something, don't go and buy in anticipation unless you really understand what you're doing, because I don't want to be responsible for you losing money because you try to get in before a move. But you need to have everything in line, in order before you buy a breakout on what could become a flag right now, a bullish flag. Okay, but it's still not there, but it's being built right now, and time will build it. Now I want to show you a few stocks that definitely are getting active, but I picked it up. I just scanned some stock today. You see this retraced a lot of volume, but it retraced a bit too much. We'll see how if it comes back in line here, and then after that we need a new high on one of the previous day, and then we can look at doing a re-entry. But it's liquid the way I like it. And then I'll show you another one which is not liquid the way I like it, because you need to be able to get in and out properly, and then when they break down, they just break because nobody's there to buy. So you have to be careful. You need some liquidity when you get into a stock, and this is a quick example of what you basically don't want to see, because you go through this 8-period moving average and it just break down, and then you're tough luck. And then another example of another stock that as you can see has been promoted. Good liquidity, good volume, but this full day totally retrace. It's not good for me. Definitely not. So I want to show you some of the good and the bad that we see sometime. I don't like that. That's all I can say. In comparison, if you look at KNDR, it's very well. If you see, I don't like to see the past because it's all over the place there. But as we start seeing some good volume and good pullback, we pulled back to the 20 moving average, and right here it just goes. That's good. That's what you want to see in a chart. And this stock could go for, like I said, many more levels up. So that's it for today. We'll see you for Friday's newsletter. And on this, I hope you'll have a great trading day Thursday. Thanks.